This coverage of the 2018 SHOT Show on the Gun Collective is brought to you by POF USA and Sonoran Desert Institute. Be sure to click the links in the description to learn more about those awesome companies. All right, guys, we're here at CMMG, and we've got a rifle here to look at that I am super, super pumped about. You saw the 22 Nosler that we did a review on. Now, CMMG is doing a 224 Valkyrie. We looked at this at Range Day, and honestly, this is one of the softest shooting guns that I've had my hands on in a long, long time. They've got the SV muzzle brake on there. It's a 24-inch barrel. It's got a Geisley SSA trigger. They've now moved on to M-LOK. Yes, CMMG is now doing M-LOK, handguards, Magpul furniture. This is the only variant. Now, typically we see, 3 to 4 variants with these rifles. You can get in a pistol and this and that. They went all in on the 24-inch barrel, and this thing is legit. I'm super pumped about this cartridge, and even more pumped to see this rifle coming in at about $1,600. That is really, really solid value, and I'm really excited about that. The 224 Valkyrie is going to be making tons of waves this year, so we're really excited to see that. Guys, this coverage of the 2018 SHOT Show on the Gun Collective is brought to you by POF USA and Sonoran Desert Institute. Be sure to check out all our SHOT Show content right here on the Gun Collective. We'll see you soon.